Step kabasok bat dokumen ni pi baro kani kadai kadu dasan Meghalaya bat ni pediang sampai pi baro syakathub khubor man taka step shoban phai syuki khubor ki bapnia ngini pe chwai ki mat bakong san Khmi penia Dr. Jitendra Singh ya kiskim bala kirshan da ka sarkar pedeng Pan Menteri Kekuat Kekhia da kajing ujor halor kajing jabo haber nihat. Penklan Kabor Senchar District jongka East Khasi Hills ya ka Special Intensive Revision Drive bu thong ban pendap shwa ka khatra tarik naitung. Pediang Sengobha ka West Janti Hills District ya ka trophy jongka Duran Cup Bat penliam ke Spain ya ke France da Arla North rong syaka final jom ke FIFA World Cup Al-Hajar Arkunrio. Mentang nya phai shwa syaki khubor na kejela. Menteri kena ke sarkar pedeng Dr. Jitendra Singh ula penya ya ka high level review meeting bat ki bor senchar kari bhoi district han nisak umyam ban bishar benya ya ka jing pentri kam ya ki scheme bala kershan de ka sarkar pedeng jong ka aspirational district ki he sarkar ki la pen I ya ka jingya ka kam ha ka kot ka khia ka rep ka riang ka puli ka puthi ka umdi ki jingte hanong kendong bat ki la jingya ram ya ki nong rep Jitendra ula penpau ke jing sngongo ya ki he sarkar bat ula kentu ya ki bakinyai beteng bantrai rengkat ki rukom bathamai bat ban kular ban wanra ya ka roi kapar ka bakenthop lang bat ban pentikena baki skim sarkar kin poi shaman lagi thliu yeng
This was my issue. This was my constraint which I duly projected. तो एक तरह का ये आपके लिए बफर भी रहेगा और आपको ये तो बहुत बढ़िया बात कर रही है प्लस दूसरा ये है कि ये जो आपके इंडस्ट्रीज हैं ये चाहिए वो तो यू हैव टू डू बिकॉज यू हैव टू improve your ranking in the dashboard and that is what is being monitored also by the peer but nothing prevents you from adding value
apple in Meghalaya. And along with that, sir, there's production of rice, maize and potatoes. There's a district. Overall literacy rate is 75.67%.
Unong Aiktian ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance uba awailat Miki Shela ulapan pau ke jing kermen baki jing persyang ki badang ya syat ban sedang biang ya ke jing ti doyong kinwan ra ya kalat kabala ban pentrikam ulaong baka scientific coal mining kadang jenjar ban pentrikam ha Meghalaya nomor ba bon ki jakati doyong ki di ki baret Henry ulah kedau baleng ba ka jing kiu syaprang ha ka teknologi kalala ban yarap ban penbet yakini ki jing uba Shela ulah batairu ba ki jing yakren badang syen bat ka sarkar pedengan New Delhi kila long ki basaiso bat ula penpau ya ke jing kermen bakini kin pelilat ban sedang biang ya ke scientific coal mining ha Meghalaya
present technology so I think if we explore definitely there will be possibility the government have really helped those miners and then now they have got their mining plant and they have start mining as well but at the same time, now we realize that, as you all know, that the area in our region, we have small scale miners. So it's very difficult to have that area which they are asking now. So that's why I think in this recent month, then I think there was a huge protest from that side. Asking the government that to go for this small scale miners. So I think last time also they have before going to Delhi they have done some kind of some study and some presentation was given. So after that then they went to Delhi. So and I was very happy to hear from the Honorable Chief Minister as well that he said that the meeting was quite positive and the minister also was really liked the idea and definitely so they will explore on this.
Ka jila Meghalaya kalakot siya ka prapusao po nyaw na kasispa hagajing sam yaki enumeration form hapo ka special intensive revision jong ka electoral roll arhajar arpunriu lajan khat khandai point khandai ar lak teli ki form la sam bat palat san point riu lak ngut ki baladap ban digitized u chief electoral officer u BDR Tiwari ulayathu baka West Giant Hills kadai ka babon kajing sam yaki form kat ba ka East Giant Hills pat kalang nang ya chaprang haga digitization ula kentu ya baro kinong tabot kentop ya kitu ki basa syabar ka jela baki dei ban pendap ya ki form hapo kapor balabu khanang ban pentikna ya ka electoral roll ka batikna bat ka bakentop ya baro
elector in this enumeration phase which started from 30th June and that will continue till 29th of July for 30 days. As on 14th July 2026 today, out of total 23,49,645 electors, the 19,91,883 enumeration form have been distributed by the BLOs to the electors, achieving an overall 84.77% coverage in form distribution. In addition, 5,64,610 enumeration forms have been digitized, accounting for 24.03% of total electors. So, district registering the highest enumeration form percentage-wise are the Jaintia Hills, 98.94%, Southwest Garo Hill 97.77%, North Garo Hill 95.12%, Southwest Khasi Hill 90.37% and East Garo Hill 88.84%. So anybody online form filling facility is available for all electors of the state and they can fill the form. So they should download the ECI net app or they can log in through the portal and fill the form online. In respect to getting the details of the relatives in the previous SIR, which in the state it was as on 1/1/2005.
U menteri kakot kakhia uba wailat miki shela ulapan pau ya kajing sngau khia namar kajing kieu jong ki jingpang ki bakata ya kajing ring bat jing penhiar mensiam nakadau jong kajing jabo kal er habernihan ula kentu ya kinong song snong bakin pha ya ki jing ujor da kajing tho da ka baong ru ba ka sarkar kamla banle ai tang halor ki jing dawa ki basapryang haki social media ula ong ba ka sarkar kadang lum jing tep nakilat ba pher bat kan bishar benya ya kani ka kam shwa ban shimrai ula kadau ru ba katu katni ki karkhana ki bombot ya ki kendon la de ban khang ula ong ru ba ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kadang yai beteng ban bud dien ya ki karkhana da ka bajurep man kapor bat ka jing pet ngor ka ba pendekam da ki technology.
Like I said, I'm not denying that. I mean, like we in the past we have seen that, but we had what in what was top at one of the polluted place industrial area. But at the same time also, I think you have seen it yourself that many initiatives have been taken by the government. And then we have also closed many of the industrial units which have not followed the guideline, who have not maintained the pollution, the AQI. So we have already taken action, and I think because of all those action, just recently, if you remember, the Meghalaya State Pollution Board had received an award, based on the step they have taken in Bernihan. The Meghalaya State Pollution Board, if you have a chance and ask from them, because now from their office they can monitor, because they already have the sensor in place. And I think they have a proper procedure to be followed before giving the CTO and other thing. So they can from time to time they used to go and check and submit the report. And I think if anything found, so the proper direction will be given to them. They have put for the investigation, so inquiry. So they have put for inquiry, so we are waiting for their report. So based on their report, then we'll take action, because we have to wait. We have to give them time.
KHUBOR Sensar District Jongka East Khasi Hills kalapan klan ya kajing penteri kam ya ka special intensive revision jongka electoral roll da kebabu ya ka khat pratarik unai tung kum ka thong ban pendap ya kajing sam bat jinglom ya ki enumeration forms u district election officer u Abilash Baranwal ula bichar benia ya kajing trai kam ha kishnong bat ula kerpat ya baro kinong tap board ki bala pendrong kerteng bakin lech ya ki polling station jongki ha ka khat pratarik unai tung ban shim ni IT ya ki enumeration form jongki ka district administration kalapan pau ya ka jing shania ba ka jing penbet thamai ya ki electoral roll bat ka jing penangkam da ka rukom digital kinla ban pendap hapo kapor balabu da ka election commission.
Basically, 18th of July, we have asked BLOs to be at the polling station because we understand that many of the electors may not be actually residing in the locality as we speak. So it is very imperative that they should take advantage of this opportunity, whether you are living in that locality, we are not living in that locality, as long as you are registered as a voter in that polling station. We request you to kindly take advantage of this. Come to your polling station. The BLOs will be there because we have asked them to be there, and they must collect their enumeration forms, and simultaneously if the enumeration form was submitted or distributed to their households, they should ensure that these enumeration forms duly filled should be deposited to the BLO on 18th. So the exercise will carry out till 29, but to be able to, because BLOs are also emburdened with this, I mean, they have a huge target also. They have to cover the entire polling station within 1 month. So they have to further digitize the forms and everything. So that's why we are asking voters to come forward so that by 18th at least this distribution of enumeration form is completed. The collection of enumeration form is completed because they have to be digitized as well. Digitization is something that is going on simultaneously. However, we have fixed a target of 18th by which we want all the forms to be distributed.
Ki nongrep kamau persyong kila penpa ya kajing sengau kia halor kajing herdor jong ki marep da kabaong bakani kajing kala ketakjur ya kajing yo jing yarap bat kajing yo kamai jong ki nongrep ha kabakador jong upul kubi kala her tang ar tingka shikilu bon ki nongrep ki ong bakim la syu ban perlat ya kabai penmi ban siuram lani ban kershan ya laki longyeng Kahil Farmers Union kala kentu ya ke sorkar Meghalaya ban tuklar mardor da ka ba pentikna ya ka dor ka bahok ya ki marap bat ban penklan ya ka jing kershan ki nong rap ban yada na ka jing ya pher jong ki jing du nong ki bakta ya ka imlang sa lang jong ki nong rap
ka penpang mensim bat ka pensngokia hadu kata-kata yangi kinong yalam syanu kani kan yalam ya ka yeng ka jong unong rap jongi bat hangno unong rap jongi un syania ya kata ka jingkerman ka jongki yalayo sngow ya ka jingkran bat ya ka jing batai jongki nong rap baki rap na ka benta bakin yo ban pa skuli ki kun ki ki rap na ka benta ban yo thiet yo khaw nyim ong ya ka do henry tang ban yo ban bam ka jabat kamlo te henry menta yo i ya kitu kilingkha ki bakim otcho wat ya tang yo kubiro namar ba kador ka bakin say napo lingkha kam ya hapchu namar ki haban siu ya ka bay daju ki haban siu ya ka bay kali nang ta ki haban siu ya ki babun ki bay bala ki bahab baki haban siu te kumta ka pelong ya ki ban du men sim ban ino yaw tu marap hapo lingkha klam do atchu te kani ka kata adu kata henry ladangi persang ya ka ban panwat jingtip kinong rap nadu nang tay napo thangsning shadu sha mau persang kaneka maula kaneka thinraj nangta kaneka snong maulali kini baru khat kidi kin nongrap ki bapaka bat 100% kidi ke yeng jong kin nongrap te henry habangi osngo habangi kran ki nongrap ki ong shanungin leg nimdan ke jakalek te henry habaka rap habaka yo ka hat kamlong kumne ki do min sim hadu kata-kata
ade way na kin nongrap ba la kamus nam naman naru ki pateng jongi ru ila yem da kamrep hadu kini kising bemta bat hakum kini kapor bangi mat bahai kini kising bangi I bakan kini kising hardor jong kini ki marep ke bangi rap kanang mi wi usnam kanang hardor syaba palat nak kapor haba mentale ukubi artangka nak sikilongi dia kumba ngin acing ken lagum kumnoru udeban mi be naka khatsan lane sipotangka sikilo hende kumba long menta artangka sikilo kemudian ini nagalan congi kino rep ila dono sebab pelan entah kedau kemudian rep aku aban ai ka masih syapiki reo nong mikmat lan lagi nong pej ki minister pada pej garap subha ban pai khmat lem singi kino rep kenapa mangi kino rep ngila pengkersan juga yang kersam nomor ni nong rep ni pelik school kon dak bangi rep ni pesa kon dak bangi rep lan nak kam rep ngin ban kam issue adang indo ikarap kemun kecing im cungiru dak si sisin kesingi wan mangi ring sayap tangan klem ka cing ngenong kumnong klem ki dork babyang ya ki kamarep kucungi lese bang hagawik sing ngindu on pelik school ki kon or kecing na cing start ngindu
ka National People's Party kalanang ya chaprang ha ka jingyalap election nakabenta ka election siteng samoy jong ka Shillong parliamentary seat da ka ba penlong ya ka jingyalang pait ba ha ka Shnong Maulengkhong ka badon hamau hati haba ai jingkren ukertong ka NPP Dr. DRL Nonglan ulapan jing kesyan nakipat ba abad ula kularu ban wanra jingkala haki lenti sengkien ka puli puthi ban penyo yang ki jakayo haki than nong kendong hakani ke jingyalang la ya don rengkat lang u deputy chief minister uba sniaw bhalang dahar uba sos senesok tun bat katu kat ni kinong yalam bahak khmat jong ka parti kila kerpat ya kinong thep buat ban pen tikna ba ka parti kan yo ya ke jingjob hakani ke election siteng samoy
na kasi kami ki banele na kamanta ki kam sakris kam sarkar kum ka UPSC Adeli kinyo banto dagagtien kasi. But nakini kadang kabala penmiteng iway i officer ikong VRCM IAS kini kiway ro bon lah balayo to dagagtien kasi. Lala pikwa ya kata ikentu yapi jet yo baro. Balaban train akan taki interest jong baro ki political party but jong ka gender neutral ki baro kawaya ka lenti kadan bat kini ka sarkar ka bas kamanta ha ka jela banesat banekren bat ka sarkar ka menta ada si komta ada singi ada ba ansapna ban penong ya gi ngatbor snobha ya mi paita where tentu yakut ki pramarjan na yengro baro renti srep yami paipa wat penlerai ka wero ka vor but let's say ka tabor ai di kersan joki au barok meneho doktor nongan tangba ngasi penken ba wat numsyon na kedur jong ubarok syon ada syap ya ka syap joki ada dur jong ka ha ka jingyalang pajba ka balalong hanong po hanin gasngi ka United Democratic Party kalapen itu yaw VCK kenta kum ukertong jongka nakabenta ka Shillong Lok Sabha by election haba ai jingkren uba kenta ulakular bantrei sitom nakabenta ka hok bat ka baha kamiat jongki trai muluk ula ongru ba un beteng ban budien ya ka jing pentri kam ya ka inner line permit haga jela kum kalat ban yada ya ka hok jongki trai ri u presiden ke UDP uba medba lengdo ulapan pau ya ke jing sngaus kem ba uba kinta unla ban mi khmat ya ke jela ha parliament da ka ba ong ba uba kenta unya khun ban kentiu ya ki jing dawa ki bala slam jong ka jela khamtam e ki bayadei bat ka hok jong ki trai ri trai muluk bat ki jing ya dapat ba hapo ka riti senshar
inner line permit. Boleh dibuat dari pulta. Dan pulta berlawan legislatif dengan policy dengan banyak menjual ayat ini. Nawar ini menjual yang ayat ini kampiya bersejarah. Kemudian kerinti banyak dasi keempat. Dasi keempat dasi yang but the way you know that what we do here. That's it, I'm not that dia supporting what but you know that like the party is here. The Lord people he don't come shisha in the right way. I mean the whole about you but team kasi Hari belum beliau jalan beliau nak belum dia kasih akan Asia kira kan boleh ada ini tiap itu tumpah official language akan Asia Katin Hindi na alam ba? Katin alam kaya ba ang recognized constitution mulai apa ni jadi yo katin na jo kende ko na issue pati kande katin
Bentang ni apai segi khubor ya lekai. Lapdiang sobha ya ka trofi jong ka Duran Cup ka basispa lai pusau ha West Giant Hills ha ka ba u Deputy Commissioner Abhinav Kumar Singh ulas dang ya ka road show ka ba itnat ha umulong ha ka jingya lenti jong ka trofi la senran lang deki officer ka army kinomi khmat na ka sports department bat kinong krishan football ka trofi ka ya lamba kishnong bat ki jaka ba pher shwa bakan poi sha yaumusyang kum ka jaka ka bakut jong ka jingya pat ba Kani ka road show ka day ka benta jong ka jing penbenapaj ba ha ka ri baro ka wei banwan ra ya ka jing snutanat jong kani ka jing ya kai football ba remtam ha Asia bat ban penslur ya ki nong krishan ban don ka jing snutanat ka ba khamjur shwaban sedang ya kani ka lempung ya le kai Ka jela Meghalaya kan penlut kumba Hendrius Pak Klur Tingka ban penlong ya kan National Games ka ba Laipo Kendai Haus Nambanwan. Menteri Ketenat Sports uba awailat miki shela ula ong baki jingtai kidang ya syakmat wat hapadeng ki jing ki bami namar badang dei ka por liur bat shu ula ong ba ya ki jing terwa lanang IT syaka sorkar pedeng ban yo jing yarap pisa. Kajela ketemu ban penlong ya kan National Games hau benai leber jong usnam banwan bat kindonru ki jing elekai ki ban penlong lang daki weipat ki jela jong kathan chatai lam mingi ka sarkar kala thawla ru ban pha ya ki nong elekai shabari ban yo ya ki jing hikai bat jing kilan met ki babiang
kept a provision where different association where if they want to send their athletes for outside exposure, so we have kept some amount, so fund for that. So that is what we are saying, that not necessary, it's up to them whether they feel it is necessary, they can go, and if not, they can use the amount for their other purposes. As of now, it's going well. No doubt there is concern because of the monsoon and all, but still the work is still going on. And from what we have seen is that we are quite confident that before the national game by December or January, all the venue will be ready.
Rung ka Spain sa ka final jong ka FIFA World Cup ar punrio daga bapenliam ya ka France da lanot ha ka semi-final bandingkong ha Dallas Stadium ha Arlington, Texas. Mikel Oyarzabal ulathep ya ka goal ka bandingkong da ka penalty ha ka minute ka ba ar but Pedro Porro ulathep ya ka goal ka ba ha ka minute ka ba sanpopra. Ka Spain kalala ban yale kai bha hadu ban penlong ya ka France banam yo thep goal. Kani ka jing job kala penlong ya ka Spain ban rong sa ka final jong ka World Cup ka ban long las ngi ublay ha ka ba kan ya kendo ya kan nong job jong ka semi final ka ba ha pedeng ka England bat ka Argentina ka ba ka jing ya khun jong ka France kala poi sya ka bakun. Timenta apat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela. Ha tura ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong life away degree Celsius ka jing singam ka hau menta ka singi kalong khandai pusan na ka sispa ka jing hap slap kalong 40 millimeter haba pai pat shanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpau nyau degree Celsius kajing isngam kahau menta kasingi kalong shispa na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong khat ar point 0 mm kadba haju waipat kajing kriat kalong arpau degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpau nyau degree Celsius kajing singam kahau menta kasingi kalong khandai pau nyau na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 0 point 1 mm kandon kajing hap slap kabajur bat kajing tiat upar that habun ki benta hatura shilong bat juai Soban poi sakabakut jong katup khubor ngin ya pet biang sasisian ya kimat bakongsan Mi bnia Dr. Jitendra Singh ya kiskim bala kershan da Sarkar Pedeng Pan Menteri Kekot Kakia da kejing ujor halor kejing jabo haber nihat Penklan Kabor Sensar District jong ka East Khasi Hills ya ka Special Intensive Revision Drive bu thong ban pendap shwa ka khat pratarek unaitung Diang Sengobha ka West Janti Hills District ya ka Trophy jong ka Duran Cup Bat pendim ke Spain ya ka France da Arlanot rung sa ka final jong ka FIFA World Cup Al-Hajar Arpun Rio. Tiparlok katung ila poi sa kabakut jong ka thup khubor jong i menta ka step hadu bagindai syam yang bat phil shibit janmit khuble ya phi baro.